Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Ford Focus Titanium. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and still returning up to 51 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this car has a very low mileage of just over 14,000 miles and it's been looked after by Ford its whole life. As you can see, the Moondust metallic silver paintwork looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. And as we look inside, the Titanium comes really well equipped. So a few features worth mentioning: you've got the climate controls there below, the multimedia screen there in the centre, cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And the first owner chose the satellite navigation and DAB radio as factory options, so that's nice to have. Rear passengers have got good access there into the back. I see the rear bench has got 3 individual seat belts, and you've got pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And as I open the tailgate, on the Focus, you've got the really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And again, the first owner chose a spare wheel. I'll show you underneath the boot floor. So that's nice and practical for the worst case scenario. Hopefully you won't need it. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front fog lights, and the 17-inch alloy wheels, as well as reversing sensors there on the back. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.